Hello, Velvet.
Yes.
I need your help.
Welcome, Loyalty Squad. This is the Velvelax coming back to you with another powerful weight loss video for you today. Now, in this video, I'm going to show you how to make a powerful breakfast smoothie. It's pretty much a meal replacement that you drink, and what it's going to do, it's going to flatten your belly, okay? And that's the area that I'm working on today. So I'm going to show you how to make a quick, easy breakfast smoothie that's going to shrink your belly and help you to lose weight overall. All right, so let's get started in this video. Okay, so what you're going to need for this wonderful meal replacement is 2 bananas. Bananas reduces bloating, controls your appetite, and replaces processed sugar. Some flaxseed. Flax seeds are low in calorie, rich in protein, and has dietary fiber. This will suppress your appetite and prevent you from overeating, which helps you to lose weight. These are whole flax seeds. Some yogurt. I chose Yoplait probiotic yogurt because of its live cultures. Yoplait contains cultures such as L-acidophil. These cultures are a type of bacteria that also live in your gut and sometimes go by the names of friendly bacteria or probiotics. This particular brand has 0 fat, is low in calories, and is a good source of fiber, which will help you to stay full until lunchtime. Plain preferably. No flavored yogurt, just plain. Almond breeze milk. Almond milk is my favorite plant-based milk substitute for dairy. Almond milk is low in calories and has a nutty flavor. Or your favorite type of natural milk, preferably plant-based. And coconut oil. Coconut oil aids in you losing weight because it helps you to burn more calories in a day. And it also helps to reduce in belly fat. If you don't have coconut oil, you can also use almond butter. Now you're also going to need a blender. So get your full-size blender cup out. And we're going to add in our blender cup 2 cups of milk. Which is 500 mLs. Okay? We're also going to add in 2 bananas. Now we're going to add in 2 tablespoons of our flax seeds. Oh, one more ingredient that's missing. And also don't forget your honey, okay? Alright, so we're going to add in 2 tablespoons of our Greek yogurt. I like hefty size portions of my yogurt. Okay? As well as 2 tablespoons of our coconut oil. Preferably organic. So make sure that your coconut oil is organic. And lastly, 2 tablespoons of your organic honey. Honey is a powerhouse of antioxidants and it helps in controlling your appetite. It will also boost your immunity and helps in the removal of free radicals from the body. And now what we're going to do is blend this up. Now if you want to know the links for this wonderful NutriBullet blender, this is not a sponsored video, but being that I use this all the time, I wanted to hook you guys up on some deals. And if you're interested in the full-size blender as well as the personal size, you can check down below on my Amazon affiliate links. Now, this is a powerful blender. Big Mama or Big Papa mug, and enjoy. Nice, creamy, and smooth. Okay. Now, like I said, this is a meal replacement. You can drink this for breakfast, the whole entire portion. Drink it for breakfast, and I tell you, it's going to keep you full all the way until lunch. This is going to suppress your appetite, make you full longer. It's also going to reduce bloating. It's going to control your appetite, and it's going to replace all of the processed sugars. Don't forget to pop in your nice reusable metal straw, and your drink is ready. All right? So thank you so much for joining me on this wonderful video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe down below. Check down below for the links for the blenders as well as the metal straw. And also check out my eBay store where you will get wonderful natural herbs for weight loss as well as boosting your body up, strengthening it up. And also I got herbs and honeys down there for you men as well. Okay? Make you nice and strong. So you guys, don't forget to also check out my other channel, Velvet Vlogs, where you will get hair care videos, skincare videos, family hauls, and much more over there. Okay? And you guys, don't forget your big sis and auntie loves you. And I will see you again in the next video. Welcome YouTube family, this is the Velvet Vlogs introducing to you my new channel, and this channel is called Velvet Vlogs. On this channel you will see hair videos, skincare videos, as well as family vlogs, okay? So check it out, go down below, click those links, and subscribe as well as turn on your notification bell, and I will see you there.